What's up guys? Let me introduce you to another feature of our Kupp Code Analytics tool. That is to say, the instant plugin deployment directly from Visual Studio. Now, before you can use that feature, you actually have to register this assembly once in the plugin registration tool. And after you've done that, you're good to go. So let's assume you just want to make some changes in your plugin code. In this scenario, I'm just changing the time zone code from some personal user settings. Anyway, when you're done with your updates of the code, you can simply just right click on the project where the plugin is inside and hit deploy to D365. Now to see what's going on, you can switch to the output window, and there's a new tab called Kupp Code Analytics where there's a lot of information inside. For example, you can see it says execute async, update complete. This basically means that the plugin has been successfully deployed to your CRM system. Now to check that, just simply head there, and as you should be able to see, our plugin has been modified 31 seconds ago. Now I think this is a very convenient way to deploy your plugins to your CRM system, and it also saves some time that you're probably wasting when you have to update your plugins through the plugin registration tool.
Don't forget, you can get Kupp Code Analytics anytime at the Visual Studio Marketplace.